Hey, this is Boulevard Broken here with another tutorial. This is for Iñupiaq Numerals. It's a Blan module. That's all you need to know. Goodbye. No. So this is a module that uses different bases to represent numbers in a weird way. Every number here is in base 20, which means that the least significant digit represents the numbers between 0 and 19, and then the next significant digit is multiplied by 20 instead of multiplied by 10, which would be normal in decimal. If you're still a little confused with how bases work, I would check out the bases tutorial that I think probably Caleb did. If it wasn't him, then sue me. But the way these numbers work is the shallow lines at the top are worth 5. So for example, this top right number would be 5, 10, and then the more steep lines are worth 1. So it'd be 5, 10, 11. That number in the top right is 11. So you're just going to count the lines at the top, multiply by 5, and then add the lines at the bottom. So for example, oh, and right, 0 is this loop. That's what it is. So let's do this one for example. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's going to be, let's just get my calculator out. I'm prepared. 14, and since this is the more significant digit and we're in base 20, it's going to be 14 times 20 plus 1, 2, 10, 11 plus 11. This is going to be 291 minus 5, 10, 15, 16. Is 275. So how are we going to put that in?
All personnel, please return to your stations.
We're going to find the closest multiple of 20 and then put that on the right. So the closest multiple of 20, I guess before the number. So to make 275, we need 260 on the left, if that makes sense. It's the multiple of 20 that is the highest you can go without going over. Similar how you would make 275 in base 10, you would look at the 2 and you would say, okay, what's the multiple of 10 that goes into 200? Well, it's 200. So the way you're going to input, this increases by 5, this increases by 1. So 275, closest is 260, divided by 20 is going to be 13. So we're going to have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 on the left, and then our remainder after removing the 260 is 15. So 5, 10, 15. That's our answer. So this is worth 275. This on the left is 260. This is 15. Okay. I'm going to go through the rest of these quickly, but essentially in this module, you're going to have to do whatever is shown on the left. So that was subtraction. You'll have addition, multiplication, and division. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 20 is going to be a 180. This is going to be 181. Then we're going to add 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 20 is 160. And this is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 160 plus 18 is 178. So 181 plus 178 is going to be 359. Closest multiple is 340. 340 divided by 20 is going to be a number 17, right? Yeah, 17. I know how to do math. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and then the remainder is 19. So cool trick, it loops around, so I can go like, oh, I lied. Well, you can always add and subtract here, so this would go down to 339. That's not what I want. I want to do 19 here. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this is worth 359. 20, 5, 10, 15, 16. So 36 times 2 0, 2 is going to be 2. So 36 times 2 is going to be 72. So closest is going to be 60. 60 is 3. And then 2 is 2. Wait, I want it to be 12. There, I've added the 12. So this would be worth 72. And then finally, I wonder what 0 divided by this is. I don't care, it's 0. Thank you, Blan. So yeah, that's how to solve it. I could go through another one, but it's all pretty much the same. Just do it in a calculator. Don't do it in your head. You can easily mess up. Anyways, thanks.